This is KIVIAK, Greenland's Viking-era survival food, made from 500 rotting birds stuffed in a seal. Would you try it? For centuries, Inuit hunters survived winter by fermenting tiny ox in sealskin. No refrigeration? No problem. Gut enzymes cook the birds over months. Locals say it's packed with protein, vitamin D, and probiotics, key for Arctic winters. But scientists warn, rotting meat equals botulism risk. Improper fermentation can breed deadly bacteria. Denmark even banned it. So, cultural superfood or bacterial time bomb? Comment and follow for more strange and wonderful foods.